In this video, I'm going to show you how to insert tick or check marks in Microsoft Word. But before I do, make sure to subscribe. As you can see, I've got 5 different tick/check marks. Each one is represented by a code. We call this Unicode. And at the moment, these codes aren't activated. We need to put in a shortcut in order to activate that code, to turn that code into the symbol above. Here's an example. I want to create this symbol here, this tick mark. We type in 2714 and then we press Alt-X. This applies to all of them. I'm going to put these codes in the description below to help you. If you want automated checkbox, one that you can actually click on and off, I have a video dedicated to that. That's also in the description below. Make sure to check it out. If this video helps you insert a tick or a check mark into your Word document, then like this video, subscribe and hit that notification bell. And if you want to learn more about how to make automatic and clickable check marks in your Word documents, then visit my website at www.wordmadeeasy.org. The link is in the description below.